30 जानेर 2015 वास्को मांगोर हिला वयल्या कामत पॅलेस हावजिंग सोसायटीच्या फ्लॅटात हो खून जाल्लो. प्रतिमान माय उषा आनी भावजय नेहा हांकां दुदांतल्यान न्हिदेच्यो गुळयो दिल्ल्यो. उपरांत प्रतिमान मायचो गळो उंदून आनी भावजयच्या तोंडार उशे दाबून खून केलो. खून करतकच प्रतिमान तांचे भांगर भावोजी अभिजीत कोरगांवकारा कडेन लिपोवंक दिल्ले. वास्को पुलिसांनी प्रतिमा आनी अभिजीत कोरगांवकाराक अरेस्ट केल्ले. अभिजीत कोरगांवकाराक माफीचो साक्षीदार म्हूण जाहीर केल्लो. मडगांवच्या कोर्टान सोमारा प्रतिमाक दोशी थारायली. बुधवारा 29 मार्चाक तिका ख्यास्त फर्मायतले.
The case of the prosecution was that Pratima Naik, the accused in the case, administered stupefying drugs to the deceased Usha Naik and Neha Naik, who were residents of flat number 10, Shri Kamat Palace Cooperative Housing Society at Vasco, and thereafter committed their murder in the presence of accused number 2, who was Abhijit Korgaonkar. Accused number 2, Abhijit Korgaonkar, during the course of trial was declared as an approver, whereas Pratima Naik chose to face the trial. Today, the Honorable Session Judge convicted the accused Pratima Naik under sections 302, 380 and 328 of IPC. The sentence will be passed on Wednesday.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सावयो डायस आनी दिशान परब.